cook now. And keep getting it away. Fry some fish and some sliced fish. I'm all fillet fish, fry, and there's one more left in this, fry. And then when this done now, I'm going to take out the roast breadfruit. Right? It's good. Good. And you have a can cook. When me young, me a cook. Breadfruit there. A roast and a sweet potato and roast. So, some ginger tea in this. Some ginger tea. Ginger tea, I'm not going to drink it now. Fish tastes good though. If you don't mind sharpening on the mark before you done fry them, because them taste good. But, I have patience and I go wait. I have patience, I'm going to wait. Okay? See the fish, you eat and fry. You're not dead for hunger, I'm not starve. Because some people like to talk, say you live out the door and you're hungry and you have nothing. And come up with all kind of excuse. Because I'm an eater. You can't be the eater when you have to show them so you can cook. And you can eat. You can cook. And you can eat. Bad mind will stop by you. Nobody eat later then. Can't bother with them at all. And then some more. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Deep pot them I fry now, make it deep fry. My deep fry that. Big up on yourself. To make a lot of love, get some real food in my body today. Real food. You get the food in the body and strong up the body. Because I know what kind of plans God have out for me. Maybe something good gonna come away one day. Just strong up myself. Ginger boil. First the ginger boil up. I must soon know so now still. So the breadfruit turn, that piece of turn kind of half ripe. Our next piece supposed to end it too. This. This is half ripe. But check them, look at them. I get roast. I'm going to see it and say I go buy the piece of half ripe one on there. I come back to 2 man when I look on it. I tell the man, all it for me then come back and then buy it and go on with it. When I go buy it, man, I know see I feel. And then go on with it. But me get more. So if you check this. And I say turn the fire down. Then kind of like simmer down a bit. And I say, you turn it off, but you turn it some kind of like turn it down a bit. Yeah, so then can't take any time and start not simmer down. It's kind of hot from them. You kind of like actually turn it down all the way down. So it can cool down. So I can see what I go on. Fish are fry now. Ready? Now you almost fry the side of well fry. Side not fry good, you can mash up and make up a thing. Soon contact to no man. Big up on yourself and I love you. See it? Soon contact to oh no. Yeah.